Ever since the conversation about menopause became out in the public, all kinds of companies have popped up on the internet selling HRT, hormone replacement therapy, online. My name's Dr. Gabrielle Francis, and welcome to my series, Empowered Menopause. I'm going to give you a little intro into HRT, and then we're going to talk more about all the different aspects of it so you can understand what it is and how you should navigate this world. Let's go. We're going to talk a little bit about something called hormone replacement therapy, HRT, which is very popular now with this perimenopause and menopause conversation, but it's really important for you to understand what it means, how it works, and if you're a candidate, to do it safely. We'll also talk about the different types of HRT, from herbal to bioidentical to the synthetic to the other types of medical HRT. And so stay with me on this part of the series so you can learn about HRT and when not you're a candidate for it.